Today I would show you how to create a restore point in Windows 10 Pro. For this, go to the Control panel and click Backup and Restore option. Here, click on Security and Maintenance option. Now, click on Recovery option. Go to the Configure System Restore. Here, configure your drive and turn on its protection. Allocate some space used to create a restore point. Now you can create a restore point by clicking on Create option. Type any name you want. Here, your restore point is created successfully.